Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So this is a video for Chemistry Pol Week 13, question number 1. Now let's take a look at the question. So question number 1A. Okay, so a vessel of 120 ml capacity contains a certain amount of gas D at 35 degrees Celsius and 1.2 atm. So if gas D is transferred to another vessel with volume of 180 ml at the same temperature, what will be its new pressure? Okay, jadi untuk jawab soalan ni, first and foremost, make sure kita boleh identify what are the information given. Okay, jadi from the question given to us, okay, first kita ada satu volume dekat sini 120 ml, so kita boleh labelkan sebagai V1 dekat sini. Kemudian kita ada juga dekat sini okay, 1.2 atm. Okay, so this is our P1 pressure and also given a temperature. Okay, tapi temperature dekat sini kita tak labelkan sebab apa? When we look on question A over here, so dia kata if gas D is transferred to another vessel, so dipindahkan ke dalam bekas yang lain dengan volume 180 ml. So we have a new volume over here and the same temperature. So temperature dekat sini tidak berubah. There's no change in temperature. Okay, so kita boleh labelkan dekat sini lah. Okay, 180 ni sebagai V2. And the question is asking what is the new pressure. So in other words, it's asking for P2. So as you can see over here, okay, ada dua variable yang berubah, which is the pressure and the volume. So, untuk pressure dan volume yang berubah, where the number of mole and also temperature is remain constant, ini adalah soalan berkenaan dengan kita punya Boyle's law. So, first write down the equation. This is the equation for our Boyle's law. Okay, jadi kita dah labelkan dekat sini kita punya P1, kita punya V1, and then kita punya V2, and we want to find P2. So, substitute into the equation. So this is our substitution. So take note dekat sini untuk pressure dan volume dekat sini, it can be any unit. Okay, so maksudnya pressure boleh jadi atm, boleh jadi torr. Yang penting P1 dan P2 unit yang sama. Sama juga dengan volume, V1, V2 mesti unit yang sama. So tak kisah sama ada dia mililiter ataupun liter. Jadi substitute dekat sini and then kita boleh kiralah berapa nilai pressure yang baru. So, P2 equals to 0.8 atm. So, just make sure dekat sini yang unit dia adalah betul. So, you're going to get 2 marks over here. Okay, markah dekat mana? So, markah yang pertama, sama ada awak tulis dekat sini awak punya substitution ataupun the equation itself. And markah yang kedua adalah markah final answer with the correct unit. Okay, jadi dekat sini kalau awak gunakan unit pressure yang berbeza, so your answer will be slightly different than this one lah. Okay, but for this one, since we are using both for in ATM, so jawapan kita adalah dalam ATM. Alright, moving on to question B. So the mass of gas D collected in the 180 ml vessel is 0.765 gram. So calculate the molar mass of gas D. So masih lagi soalan yang sama berkenaan soalan yang sama dekat sini sebab kita ada dekat sini vessel 180 ml and dia bagi tahu dekat sini the mass of gas D inside the 180 ml vessel is 0.765 gram. So the question is asking what is the molar mass. So to answer this question, you can straight away use the molar mass equation that is derived from the ideal gas equation. Alright, so this is our equation. So molar mass of gas D, so M is for the mass, R is our universal gas constant, T temperature, pressure, and then volume. So mass will be the mass of gas D here, this one. Okay, R nilai constant kita, temperature, the same temperature given okay, before this, cuma kita perlu tukarkan dia kepada Kelvin, and then pressure, the new pressure that we have calculated in part A, and then the volume which is 180 ml. So substitute all the information into the equation dan kita boleh carilah berapa molar mass of gas D. So this is the substitution. Jadi saya ingatkan sekali lagi, mass in gram Okay, your temperature, you need to change it to Kelvin. So, kita akan dapat 308.15. Okay, the pressure is in ATM and the volume must be in liter. So, our final answer, the molar mass of gas T will be 134.34 gram per mole. Okay, so make sure mesti ada unit yang betul lah dekat sini, gram per mole. So, you're going to have 2 marks over here. So, the first mark is for the substitution and the second mark is for the molar mass with correct unit. Jadi, kalau tak ada unit yang betul dekat sini, tak dapatlah markah yang kedua. So, that will be all for question number 1.